Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to laugh without anyone knowing. And this will be a tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional video tutorial. Let's say you're in a situation where you really have to laugh. You really want to laugh. You want to let it out, but you don't want people to know that you're laughing. There are a couple of simple, easy things that you can do to laugh and get it out of your system and hopefully not allow anyone to know that you're actually laughing. So basically, you want to be able to keep a face that does not show that you're laughing while you're actually laughing sort of within your mind and within your body, but you don't want to look like it. So you want to keep a sort of like a straight regular face, but you want to actually be laughing. So these are the things you should do, okay? So the first way is if you have your hands where you cannot use your hands to cover your face. Okay, I'll go over hands covering the face after, but the first way is if you can't cover your face with your hands. So what you want to do if you do not have your hands available to cover your face, and if you cannot cover your face with your hands, is you want to use just your face to sort of get that straight face expression while you are laughing. So the way to do that is very simple. First and foremost, keep your mouth closed, okay? If you open your mouth, not only will you be more likely to look like you're laughing, but you'll be more likely to let out a bigger laugh. So by keeping your mouth closed, you're sort of able to make the laugh smaller and also not look as much like you're laughing. So mouth closed, okay? Very simple. Mouth closed, lips together, mouth closed. Very simple, okay? The second thing is keep your lips straight in a regular expression, because if you start smiling, then you're more prone once again to making that laugh bigger and looking like you're laughing. So keep your lips straight. This way, you're more likely to be able to keep that laugh contained and nice and small, and you'll be less likely to look like you're laughing. So don't smile, keep your lips straight, okay? The third thing, or the next thing, I don't even know if I'm gonna be able to keep track of the numbers, but the next thing that you wanna do is try and clench your jaw, not tightly together, but try and keep your teeth together. Because once again, even if your lips are closed and your mouth is closed and your lips are straight, if your jaw is open, you're more prone to like doing a bigger laugh and letting loose, right? So keep the teeth together, not clenched hard, but just like that. Just keep your teeth touching, gently touching. That will make it less likely, you'll be able to keep the laugh smaller and more contained, and it'll be less likely to look like you won't put forth or give away an expression of laughing, okay? You won't put forth or give away any look of you laughing, okay? And the last thing is essentially you want to keep your eyes locked in. And I don't mean locked in terms of vision, like where you're looking. I mean locked in terms of their expressional lock-in. So like, you don't want to, like when you smile, right, your eyes change, right? You don't want to make your eyes change like that, right? You want to keep your eyes in terms of a straight face. Your eyes are going to be locked in terms of their expression, okay? And when you've done those things, you can then laugh through your air and through your chest and in your mind quietly, ever so quietly, and you won't look like you're laughing. So I'll just give you an example right now. What I'm going to do is I'll do those things, okay? So these are the things I'm going to do just to sort of go over them again, okay? And I'll try and remember the order that I said them. But essentially, I'm going to keep my mouth closed. I'm going to keep my lips straight. I'm going to keep my teeth touching together. I'm going to keep my eyes locked in at a regular straight face expressional sort of what they look like. So the expression of my eyes is going to stay locked in at like a straight face normal expression, okay? And I'm going to laugh quietly under my breath just while keeping that face. So my face is going to get locked in like this, and then I'm going to just laugh quietly under my breath. So, I don't know if you could tell, but I was laughing. But my face was straight. It would be very hard to tell that I'm laughing unless you're literally right beside me. And it's silent in my van, so you could hear that. If I was in a room full of people where other people were talking or where there was someone speaking in front of me, it would be very hard to hear that. So I could be laughing and basically no one would know for the most part, okay? So that's the way to do it if you don't have your hands available to cover your mouth. Now, if you have your hands available to cover your mouth, what you can do is do the same thing, but you can add on. Like, let's say you have to smile and you're like, I can't fight the smile, right? You can't fight the smile. You feel like you have to smile when you're trying to avoid laughing, but you feel like the smile is coming out and you have your hands available and you're allowed to like cover your face with them. Then take your hand, just cover over and just try and keep your laugh as quiet as possible. And I'm obviously over-exaggerating the volume. I could keep it more quiet than that, but I'm over-exaggerating the volume. But what you can do is just, like, you can, obviously you don't want to be like this the whole time, because you don't want to be like this the whole time. So I don't know if you could hear that when my hand was over my mouth. But you obviously don't want to be like this the whole time, because they're going to be able to tell something's up. You can scratch your face. So just... and then back to straight face. If you have to smile, if you have to laugh, just... Or you can sort of even build it in. I just thought of this right now. I didn't write it down in my notes, and I didn't think about it. Actually, I don't really even have any notes for this video. I got like my notes in terms of like what I'm going to title the video, but like everything else I just had in my head. I had it stored away, which is why I was sort of a little bit all over the place. But anyways, as we say, it's in the vault. That was me in high school. My teacher would say, Michael, why are you not taking notes? Miss, it's in the vault. Don't worry, it's in the vault. I got it up here. Anyways, all joking aside, I didn't really think of this one before, but you can almost pair it in with a yawn. So you're yawning, right? Just like that. So that's basically it. That's how to get out a laugh if you have to laugh, but you don't want anyone to know. It's how to sort of get that laugh out of your system and hopefully allow no one to know that you're laughing, you know, or as few people to know that you're laughing as possible. I mean, like at the end of the day, if there's 100 people in the room and only one person beside you realizes that you're laughing, then that one person that's beside you that knows that you're laughing is just one person. It's not like 80 people or 100 people know that you're laughing. So, I mean, it's better to have fewer people notice that you're laughing. Hopefully you have none, but fewer is better than more, of course. Anyways, that is basically it. I actually have nothing else to say. I thought this was going to be a short video. It ended up being quite long, but it's okay. I got the point across. I explained everything. I demonstrated. So I'm really happy with it, and hopefully you are happy with it as well. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. But yeah, with that being said, I actually have nothing else to say. So with nothing else to say, we are going to roll the outro for this video. So without further ado, here is the outro for this specific video. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.